Nze, MK Newspaper is here and ICC. Sizela with BRICS Agriculture Investment and Summit. Sinondaba ezitha la uzosichaza ukuthi yena umbani and uqhamuka kuphi ebese asitshela ukuthi what's going on now. Wenzakalani la? Ngiyambona uyatetazela wehla wenyuku yababrief abantu khona abatetazela athi ningatetazeli. Sicela usithathe usibeke indaba ezitha.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga even for the opportunity lale interview igama ngulebohangwa kwaZulu indodakazi yoMageba onongalazo omnyama ngingusihlalo we-BRICS Women Business Alliance. Represent South Africa within i-framework le ye-BRICS Cooperation. Umsebenzi wethu futhi njengoba silanje namhlanje sibuyise wonke lama investors akhona kulamazwe kakhulukazi India, Russia ne-UAE. Sathi kubo cha sinosomabhizinisi thina abalimayo abaprocessayo kodwa kunamathuba bawafunayo umuntu udinga injection investment for manufacturing udinga investment for market access so sabaletha lana kodwa namanye amazwe engewona we-BRICS amazwe anjengayo Oman ikhona la ePakistan ikhona la phinde ne-US ke ikhona kwayona self la kodwa ilaba mnyama ke base-US besengisho nje beze la kumanje nje right now we've got what's going on right now is a BRICS Power Pitch. Also my business bethu abancane ba pitch ama businesses wabo ama project wabo startup kanjalo ba presenta kuma investors ama investor afaka imali noma ngabe uyi startup as long as the vision yakho icaca ukuthi wenzani kule ndima ye agriculture and the related ecosystem bafaka imali baxhase ukuthi lelo phupho nalo likwazi ukuthi liye phambili. So siyakhuthaza namanje noma ningafikanga ke abangazange babe khona ukufika siyophinde siyenze unyaka nonyaka iBRICS Power Pitch especially because inama investors amaningi angama startup investors angama seed investors angama venture capitalists. So lokho sinibuyisela bona unyaka nonyaka sibaletha la ekhaya kuze osomabhizinisi abancane ama micro small and medium sized enterprises nawo athole amathuba wokuthi athuthuke. That's that we're calling that we're doing is called advancing the country's economy through our micro, small and medium-sized enterprises and women entrepreneurs or agripreneurs right at the center.
So ngibone osomabhizinisi la ngaphakathi bepitcha kukhona ipanel kukhona even international bahleli lapha kuma Zoom balalele ikuthini nje ubaqhuquzela izwi nje ungasulibeke kubona mntwana.
I-participation yethu ku-BRICS ngoba former president asifaka ku-BRICS wathi former president asithi masikhulisa i-economy singayikhulisi ngokubheka i-domestic markets only. We've got to look at global markets as well. And of course, kuba participate kuma global market, many my friends within a certain framework like BRICS, singama friends with all the BRICS countries, which are then presenting ama market opportunities. So lama different panel sessions esibe nawo, one of them was expanding global trade, which means sithi kubo laba balimayo, sithi kubo laba baprocessayo, nali thuba sesikhona ku BRICS nikhona niyarepresenteka nani ngoba thina while siyi financial and economic cooperation structure, official structure within the BRICS mechanism, i-constituency esiyibukile amakhosikazi siphinde sibuke nama micro, small and medium-sized enterprises because the primary focus ye BRICS Business Council is on large and multinational companies. So thina priority yethu yini emakhaya yini in the rural communities yini emalokishini enithi nathi siyaproducer siyazi yebo masinibuka as individual businesses it's not enough mawiyi-1 ngeke uyisupply eChina kodwa umsebenzi wethu sobambisana nabaphathi NDA khona nje namanye ama-structures esobambisana nawo ukuthi sikwazi ukuniconsolidate ukuthi laba benza ama-apple abagcwele yonke le ndawo la ekhaya sikwazi ukuwabungezela lawo ma-apple abendawonye sifake i-investment la idingeka khona ekutheni quality meet the international standards sizokwazi ukuthatha leyo production yenu iyodayiswa lengaphandle. In that way you then become part of the global ecosystem within the BRICS framework of cooperation specifically.
So i-summit iqale izolo
iphela kusasa izophela kusasa so besenza i-summation ke manje yokuthi ama-mentors ama-mentee nama-mentor lawa azoxhumana nawo this afternoon yibaphi abathole amathuba ukuthi ama-mentor athi ngiyak-adopta. Siphinde sibone kulabo abapitchayo right now ukuthi ama-investments ama-commitments abe yimaphi. So ilanga lakusasa senze i-summation ke manje ngoba singabantu laba abafuna ama-tangible outcomes. Le summit it was about ama-results. So kusasa so presenter ke ekutheni what deals have been concluded, who managed to secure what investment, and which mentees have managed to secure ama-mentorship partnerships.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.